Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Excel tutorial, we're diving deep into how to find duplicates in Excel and efficiently manage them. Whether you're trying to spot duplicates in an Excel sheet, check for duplicate entries in rows or columns, or need to highlight duplicates in Excel, this guide will walk you through everything from identifying to deleting duplicates in Excel. If your goal is to highlight duplicate values in columns, or even compare two columns for overlapping data, here's what you need to do. Select the columns you want to check for duplicates. Go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. Choose a formatting style to easily highlight duplicates in Excel. Click OK. Your duplicate entries will now be instantly visible, making it easy to spot duplicates in the Excel sheet. Sometimes you may want to check if entire rows are duplicated, not just individual cells. For that, follow these steps. Insert a new helper column. Use the equal concat formula to merge the contents of each row. This will help in uniquely identifying the row. Drag the formula down to apply it across all rows. Select the helper column and apply conditional formatting. Helper columns with duplicate values will be highlighted. Now, if you'd like to hide the contents of the helper column but still keep duplicates highlighted, then select the helper column. Go to Number Format, More Number Formats, Custom. Go to Type 3 colons and hit OK. Adjust column width. Duplicate rows will still be highlighted, but the helper column will appear empty. Once you've identified duplicates in Excel, here's how to remove them. If you are not dealing with a large set of duplicate data, you can delete it manually. Here's how. Filter by color from the helper column using the filter icon. Select and delete the duplicate rows manually. In case of a large data set, you can use the following method to automatically delete duplicate entries in one go. Select your entire data range. Navigate to the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates under Data Tools. Choose the columns to check and hit OK. Excel will automatically delete duplicate values. This is a quick way to delete duplicates in Excel when highlighting isn't necessary. For more control and flexibility, you can find duplicates in Excel using COUNTIF formula. In a blank column, type equal COUNTIF, select the range. Use F4 to freeze cell references. Select the criteria. Formula will appear like this. Drag the formula down. Any result greater than 1 means that value is duplicated. This formula works column-wise and is useful if you want to highlight duplicate entries based on custom logic. You can use Excel's if function combined with COUNTIF to label your data as duplicate or unique. Here's how. In a new column, enter the following formula, equals if, COUNTIF, set the logic for, COUNTIF. Enter the text to be returned in case logic matches. Then specify the text in case where logic does not match. Formula will appear like this. This formula checks how many times the value in cell E2 appears in the range E2 to E49. If it appears more than once, it labels it as duplicate. Otherwise, it shows unique. If you want to highlight entire duplicate rows, here's an advanced approach because the previously discussed methods alone will not be of any help. This method will work in addition to the COUNTIF function of Excel. As you can see, we have applied COUNTIF formula to find duplicates. Now further select the entire data range you want to check. Navigate to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, select New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter a formula based on your dataset logic. For example, use $F$, $2, and go in. Important. When referencing a specific cell, freeze only the column by placing a dollars before the column letter, not the row number. Click Format. Go to the Fill tab and select a color to highlight duplicates. Click OK to apply. Excel will highlight the entire row wherever duplicate entries exist across the specified fields. You can efficiently generate a separate list of duplicate entries without deleting from your dataset and not relying on manual filtering and copy-pasting, which often leads to accidental data loss. Instead, use the following formula. Filter, select the data range. Then use COUNTIF function as logic. Formula will appear something like this. This will automatically return a new list containing only the duplicate records from the specified range. By mastering these methods, you can easily find, highlight, and delete duplicates in Excel, whether in individual cells columns, or entire rows. This will help you save time, reduce errors, and improve the reliability of your data analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.